In this video guide, we'll show you how to unbox the Platinum C250 3G center channel. The Platinum C250 3G center channel is designed to be a perfect partner with any combination of Platinum loudspeakers to create the last word in home theatre sound. You may need a second person to help you unbox. Once you've removed the transit straps, open the box. Inside, you'll find a board with quick links to register your product and product documents. Pin the box down with your foot, then lift the cradle out of the box. Remove the toolbox from a protective foam. Turn the speaker on its side. And remove the protective foam. Peel the sticker and open the protective bag. Turn the speaker onto its other side. Then remove the foam and the protective bag. Inside the toolbox, you'll find a cleaning cloth, hex key and Torx tool. Now, wire them up, sit back and enjoy your Platinum C250 3G center channel.